In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and perform some basic tasks in Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing platform that is popular among businesses for its user-friendly interface and extensive features. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on a few tasks, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, we'll start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Klaviyo's website. Once there, you'll want to log into your account. If you're new to Klaviyo, you'll need to create an account before you can proceed. The login page is straightforward. Simply enter your email and password to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a menu with various options. We're going to focus on the Audience section, which is critical for managing your subscribers and targeting the right people with your marketing efforts. Click on Audience, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Lists and Segments. Go ahead and click on this. Lists and segments are essential components of targeted marketing, allowing you to organize your contacts efficiently. Whether you're separating customers by interest or behavior, this is where you'll manage those groups. After clicking on Lists and Segments, you should see an overview of all your lists. Select the specific list or segment you're interested in working with. Once you've chosen a list, you'll notice some options available to you. Among these options, look for Manage Segment. Click on it, and you'll see several actions you can perform. One of these actions is Export Segment to CSV. Clicking this will export your current list of subscribers in that segment to a CSV file. This format is useful for data manipulation, analysis, or even importing to other platforms if needed. The file will save onto your computer, usually in the Downloads folder, unless you've specified a different location. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through Klaviyo's lists and segments and learned how to export a segment to a CSV file. This skill is particularly useful for data analysis and ensuring your marketing efforts are as strategic and targeted as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful for your email marketing endeavors. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or check out Klaviyo's extensive help resources for more detailed guidance on other features. Happy marketing!